There is two ways to put your helmet, to storage your helmet with NMAX Yamaha. One solution is to open the seat and put it here. Does it sound right to you? Nobody can see that the helmet is inside. Another way is to hang it, because there is always the possibility you to be with your friend or partner, so two helmets might be the need to storage. So there is one pin here. This pin here has one teeth. You put it here. Φίλιο πίσω. Boom! This is the second way to lock the helmet. The other is more safe for your helmet, but this, if you go to the supermarket, just for a quick 2 minutes away from the bike, from the moto, and you want to leave the helmet, you can leave it here, because maybe the storage here is full. And there is another pin from the other side. I take this helmet and I put it from the other side. Okay? So right now the helmet is from the other side. And I come to lock the second helmet. So here is the pin. And wow, there is not metal part like this to hang it, okay? That's bad. That's bad. But I have found a patent, a solution. You see this piece of metal here that closes? So this piece of metal, you can just put it here. There is a little hole here, small hole. You put it here inside. Okay, this cannot go. It can slip away, but until you close it, it's going to be all right. And now you have two helmets locked, and because you are a good boy and you was here until now, I'm going to show you another tip. Because let's say you and your partner have jackets. As I tell you before, let's say this is full right now. So you can't put anything inside, okay? Let's pretend that this is full now. Okay, let's make it full. I take one thing, put it here. So I cannot put my jacket. This has a protection, so it can be small, cannot be small. But still I want to go to the supermarket or to have a coffee. Here there is protection, and here there is protection. Here protection, and here. Here in the middle is empty. Look, you see, empty. Just put the one protection, okay? And close it. Nobody can take. If they push too much, maybe they do, but you can cover like this. You see, you repeat the same thing from the other side. Two jackets, same thing from the other side, and grab it from the other side. And ladies and gentlemen, look how it looks. Look by yourself. They can steal it. Yes, they can steal it. But they cannot grab and run away. So if somebody is prepared to take your jacket, has the right tools, like screwdriver or anything that he needs, he can take it from you. He can take even the moto. He can take even you. Anybody can take if he is organized. But who is organized for one helmet and one stinky jacket? Nobody. But grab and go, no. you are safe about this. So, and it's easy too, and fast. Let's say I want to go now. Look how easy. If you count how many seconds I need, okay. It doesn't get any faster than this, right?